Suppose we have a YouTube channel. At first we will create few short videos with AI and then upload that YouTube Shorts to our channel. Today I will show you step-by-step process, how to create YouTube Shorts by using AI from any long video, then we will upload it to our YouTube channel. If you don't have YouTube channel you can also use the strategy to create shorts from any YouTube video you want. Find the video link you want to make shorts from. Then copy URL and visit to a AI website. You will find the link in description. Now you need to sign up to start making your YouTube Shorts. Click on Sign Up button. Then click Sign Up with Google. Select the account you want to sign in with. It will take you straight to the dashboard. Click on Create Project and select Upload from Link. You will find a box named Upload from Link. Paste the URL we previously copied and click Continue. Then select duration you require. You can also select language and then click on Next. Wait for few minutes to upload, process and creating your project. It will automatically redirect you to Clip's dashboard. This process also takes some time. If you find our video is helpful then please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is taking time because AI is not creating a single clip, rather it is going to provide 3 to 10 or sometime more clips from a single video. Shorts are ready. We found that AI build 9 shorts video at a time. Now check what is created.
Is born. Benjamin and Max team up to create an enchanting exhibition in the meadow, bringing beauty and wonder through the very items that were once wrongly taken. The animals of the meadow gather around the exhibits, captivated by the delicate beauty of nature's wonders.
Here you can use AI to venture on your journey. Tell any story you want. Create any place. For any character. Sing anything you wish. In any voice.
After checking, we may need to edit our video we want publish. Click on Edit button. It will redirect you to a new page for final editing. We have few customization options. We can change the text size, font, styles. Update and finalize your customization and click to apply to all button for updating all changes to your video. Then check your final video.
You can use AI to venture on your journey. Tell any story you want. Create any place for any character. Sing anything you wish.
In any voice. Just type a simple text prompt.
When you're happy with your video, click on Export button. It will redirect you to a new page and it will take 2 to 5 minutes or sometime more, depends on your internet speed. After few minutes of rendering process, we will find the download button on right bottom side. And click on download and it will take few minutes and we will find our short video in our download folder on our PC. Now we will upload our new shorts to our YouTube channel. Visit studio.youtube.com. It will take you to YouTube Studio dashboard. Click on Upload button on the right side. Click on Select Files button and then select the video we have just downloaded. Then start filling all necessary fields. Write a eye-catching title on title field. Write a proper short description with the important keywords. Add to a playlist if you want. It is optional. Select your audience type. If your video is made for kids, please make sure you select, yes, it's made for kids or select, no, it's not made for kids. And then tick mark to paid promotion section if you have paid sponsorship. And untick to automatic chapters and featured places. Then the most important part is tags. Please carefully input your tags that is relevant to your story and you want to rank for. I have used a YouTube tool to get most important keywords as suggestion. If you want to know this AI tool, please comment. I want to know the YouTube keyword tool. I will give you a promo plan. Here I have carefully select most high volume search keywords so that my shots can be suggested to those who are searching for those keywords. You can also input your relevant tags and keywords by input and type manually. Add keywords and press enter button from your keyboard. Then select language. I am selecting English as my video language is in English. You can select any languages that are available at YouTube. Then caption certificate as. This content has never aired television in the US. This is also optional. Now select your video location. I am selecting United States. You can optionally write hashtag shorts to your title or on description to tell YouTube that your video is a short. Remember, to upload a short video, your video duration will be up to 60 seconds, never more than that. Then have a final check. And click on Next button. Now click Add button to add a related video. Select your relevant video. You should use to take your audience straight to your long video. You can also add subtitles. And finally click on Next button. Now select Public and click on Publish button to publish your short video. Now we have successfully published our shorts to YouTube. Soon it start distributed by YouTube to its relevant audience.
Here you can use AI to venture on your journey.
That's it. With today's procedure
Tell
you
any
can create
story
more
you want.
YouTube short videos
Create
from
any
your long
place
videos and
for
easily
any
get
character.
views.
Sing anything you wish.
In
Thank you
any
for
voice.
watching. If you found our video helpful, please subscribe to our channel.
Here you can use AI